Press the blue lever, and remove the toner cartridge. Open the protective shutter, and lock it, with an adhesive tape. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the metal blade. Clean out all the remaining toner from the cartridge. If you haven't a toner vacuum cleaner, use compressed air. Getting all the old toner out is important if you want to improve print quality. The toner left in the cartridge may be damp or too old. Do not breathe the toner dust. Using a cotton swab, clean the edge of the blade, so there is no evidence of toner buildup. If the blade has a heavy buildup of toner on it, clean it with acetone. If any buildup exists, the cartridge will streak. This blade controls the amount of toner on the magnetic roller. The toner is held on the magnetic roller sleeve by a stationary magnet inside the sleeve. Gently clean the magnetic roller with a soft cloth. Turn the roller by hand several times so it is fully cleaned. The magnetic roller carries the toner from the supply chamber to the drum. Reinstall the blade. Reinstall the 2 screws. Remove the adhesive tape. Reinstall the toner cartridge. Probably, the printer will give a low toner error message, so you'll have to install a new toner cartridge. For any problem with the cartridge, in the description of this video you'll find a link to a troubleshooting guide.
The most common cartridge failure